Morning children, already we started the chapter square and square root. In last class we already discussed about it. Okay, we had already finished the exercise 6.1. Now I am going on 6.2. In last class we discussed about square and square roots, properties, how to remember the all square 1 to 30 square, their properties, few patterns also we learned. Okay, so you have to remember all these. Now I am moving on for the next exercise. Before moving to the next exercise, let us discuss the topic which are included in that exercise. To finding the square of the given any given number, and the second topic is Pythagoras triplet. Let us discuss about first topic, finding square. Suppose you are given the large number 77 square, you want to find out. How to find out this large number? We can't remember. We had already had given you have to remember till 30 square. But what about the large numbers are given? So there is very simple technique is there that we are going to use. First of all, what you have to do? You have to split the 77 in 70 plus 7 whole square. Now it means 70 plus 7 in that bracket and other bracket also 70 plus 7. Now this 70 first multiply with this bracket and then 7 multiply. So what we will write? 70 into in bracket 70 plus 7 plus 7 into bracket 70 plus 7. Now open the bracket. So 70 into 70, 4900. 70 into 7, 490. 7 into 70, 490. And 7 into 7, 49. Then go for all the addition. So 9, 4, 9, 13, 9, 22, 0, so 2 carry, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 9, 99, 1 carry, 4 plus 1, 5. So 5, 9, 2, 9. Okay, for any number, if I will take one more number, suppose instead of 77 I will replace the number and I will do one more big number so that I will find out its square. Okay, so it is, let us do over here. Okay, I will take, suppose I will take 96. I want 96 square. So what is first step? I will split the number 96 as 90 plus 6 whole square. It is equal to 90 plus 6 into 90 plus 6. Now I will change the remove the bracket. First bracket multiply with second bracket, then second number of the first bracket multiply with second bracket. Okay. So what you will get? 9 9s are 81 and 2 0. 90 into 6, 540. Same 6 into 9 to 540 and 6 into 6, 36. Now I will add all this number. So at unit place 6, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 4, 11, 1. 1 carry, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 5, 11 plus 8, 19. The square is 1916. Okay, this is finding the square for any number by using this splitting and then multiplying it. Okay, now I am going on the next topic, Pythagorean triplet. What is Pythagorean triplet? Okay children, already you know about Pythagoras theorem. Okay, what is Pythagoras theorem? It is applied for the right angle triangle. In right angle triangle there is one is 9, right angle is 90, one is 90. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square, or if I want to write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Hypotenuse square is equal to altitude square plus base square. Okay, this is the Pythagoras theorem. Now suppose any one number of this Pythagoras triplet is given. Okay, Pythagorean triplet is given. How to find out that number? In this we are discussing in the form of that Pythagorean triplet. We are having 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. These three are called Pythagorean triplet, where 2m is the smallest number, n square 1 is the middle number, and m square 1 is largest number. And we know that what is largest number in Pythagoras right angle triangle? Hypotenuse. That means this indicates hypotenuse. This indicates hypotenuse. Regarding base or height may be changed. Sometimes base is larger and height is smaller. Sometimes height is larger, base is smaller. So this depends on the according to that. Okay. So now these three are called Pythagorean triplet. By using this, we will find out the number if any one of the number of the Pythagorean triplet is given. Okay. Just now let me start with one number. Okay. We know that suppose this 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. It is 5 square. That means you can see there one square, the other square. So these three are called Pythagorean triplet. Same 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 36 plus 64 it is 100. It is equal to 10 square. So these three are also Pythagorean triplet. 3, 4, 5 as well as 6, 8, 10. And there are so many numbers are there where we can find the Pythagorean triplet. Okay. So we will use this to find out the number if any one of the number is given. I will show you one example for that. Okay. Suppose we are given one number whose we have to find out the Pythagorean. By using the Pythagorean triplet we have to find out the number. Okay. Let us see how to find out. Okay. I will show you. Suppose 14 is given. Okay. I will remove this part. Okay. Suppose 14 is given and I have to find out the remaining two number related with this. 14 is given. Okay. So children, remember, whenever even number is given, you just try with this 2m. 2m is equal to 14. So what about m? M is 14 by 2 is equal to 7. Now you are having value of m. Put this value over here. 7 square minus 1. 7 square is 49 minus 1. 49 minus 1 it is 48. And here 7 square plus 1. 49 plus 1 it is 50. So this your first number 14, second 48 and third 50. They are forming Pythagorean triplet. Got it, children? If 14, whenever even number is given, you just start with 2m is equal to, because all even numbers are divisible by 2. So whenever even number is given, you will try with this 2. Okay. But if what about if odd number is given? That also I will show you. Okay. Just be there. Okay. I will explain you if odd number is given. Suppose one of the number is given, 3 is given, suppose. Okay. Now if I will take 2m is equal to 3, m is 3 by 2, and we are not having such Pythagorean number triplet, we are always using for whole numbers. Okay. So what I will do, I will take trial and error method. I will try for the other two numbers. I will take m square minus 1 is equal to 3. So what about m square? So m square is 3 plus 1, 4. So what about m square 4? So m is 2. Okay. Now this will is perfect for this. So you get m number. So what about this 2m? So 2m is 4. 2m is 4. And what about this? 2 square 4 plus 1. Sorry, 4 plus 1 it is 5. Okay. So your Pythagorean triplets are 3, 4 and 5. Got it, children? So in this way, when odd number, even number is given, directly we will try for this. But if odd number is given, you can try for this m square 1. One more example I will take, okay, so that you can understand it better. If suppose 17 is given, okay, 17 is odd number, so I can't try for this 2m because we are, as I told, 2m is we will apply for even number only. Okay. So if I will take here m square minus 1, if m square minus 1 I will take 17, then what about m square? M square is 18. 18 is a perfect square? No, it is not perfect square. So whatever I taken, it is wrong. So I will remove this and I will take chance for this m square plus 1. So now m square plus 1 is 17. So m square is 16. So m is 4. Now you get the value of m. Put in others. 4 square 16 minus 1. It is equal to 15. And what about 4 into 2? 8. So your 8, 15 and 17 are your Pythagorean triplet. Got it, children? Okay, so now I am going to explain you the exercise 6.2. Okay. Okay, children. Already we had discussed the topic how to find out the squares and how to find out the remaining two numbers of the right angle triangle sides measurement if one of the measure is given by using Pythagorean triplet. Okay, let us first do the sum, how to find out the square for given. Suppose 32 square is given. So 32 square I will split in 30 plus 2 whole square. It is equal to 30 plus 2 into 30 plus 2. Then I will split the bracket. So it is 30 into 30 plus 2 plus, okay, I will write this down. So it's okay. So it is 30 into 30 plus 2 plus 2 into 30 plus 2. So now 30 into 30 become 900. 30 into 2 60. 2 into 30 60. And 2 into 2 4. So it is 4 2 1024. Okay, I will do the next sum also, 35 square. How to find out 35 square? Okay, what I will do, I will split the 35 as 30 plus 5 whole square. Then I will write it as 30 plus 5 into 30 plus 5. So what I will get, 30 into 30 plus 5 plus 5 into 30 plus 5. So what I will get here, I will get 30 into 30 900, 30 into 5 150, 5 into 30 150 and 5 into 5 25. So what I will get here, 5 plus 5 10 plus 2 12, 2 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3 plus 9 12. So 1 2 2 5. In the same manner you can find out 86 square also. 86 square is 80 plus 6 whole square. So 80 plus 6 whole square is, I divided 80 plus 6 into 80 plus 6. Okay, so it is 80 plus 6 into 80 plus 6. So if I want to do here, what I will do, 80 into bracket 80 plus 6 plus 6 into bracket 80 plus 6. So now 80 into 80 6400, 80 into 6 480, 6 into 80 480 and 6 into 6 36. So what I will get here now, 6 3 plus 8 11 plus 8 19. So 9 1 carry, 4 plus 1 5 plus 4 9 plus 4 33 1 carry, 7 3 9 6. 86 square is 7396. Okay, so now in the same way you have to do the remaining sum, 93 square, 71 square and 46 square. You have to find out using the same method. Now I am moving on question number 2. Okay, so now how to find out the Pythagorean triplet, already I mentioned while explaining the particular topic. Okay, now I am moving on that sum only, question number 2. Okay, the number is given. We know that Pythagorean triplet is 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. Now what is first question given? 6. As I told, when 6 is given, what we are doing? 2m is equal to 6. Therefore m is equal to 6 upon 2 3. So your number is 3 square 9 minus 1, it is 8, and here 9 plus 1 10. So 6 8 and 10 are your Pythagorean triplet. Okay, same. I am now going for the next question. It is 14 is given. 14 is given. It is also an even number. So I will take 2m is equal to 14. So what is the value of m? 14 by 2, 7. Same this 14 m value I am now having. M value I will put your m square minus. So 49 minus 1, it is 48. Okay. The first value 2m, second m square minus 1 also I got, and third value m square plus 1. So 7 square 49 plus 1, it is 50. So third number is 50. So 14, 48 and 50. There are 3 Pythagorean triplet. Okay. Third is given 16. So I will take again 2m is equal to 16. Whenever even number is given, I am always taking for this 2m is equal to, so that I can easily find out remaining numbers. So now 2m is equal to 16. Therefore m is equal to 8. So now here 8 square minus 1, that means 64 minus 1. So it is 63. And what about here? N square plus 1. 64 plus 1, it is 65. Okay. For this number. Okay. I will separate this so that it will make it proper. Okay. So this is first number. This is 6, 8 and 10 are Pythagorean triplet for first question. For second question, 14, 48 and 50. For third question, 16, 63 and 65 are one. So remaining you can do it yourself. Okay. So this is how to break. Now in next I am going to explain you about square root. Okay. Okay children. Now already we discussed about the exercise 6.2, the topics, how to find out the square numbers of the any given number and the Pythagorean triplet. If any one of the number of the right angle triangle given, to find out the other two numbers by using Pythagorean triplet formula, 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. These three are called Pythagorean. Now I am moving on the next topic, square root. What is square root? Square root is vice versa of square. 2 square is 4. So square root 4 is 2. This is the symbol for square root. Okay. Square root 4 is 2. 2 square is 4 and is vice versa square root 4. This is called symbol of square root. Square root 4. Now how can we find out the square root of any given number? Okay. So there are 3 methods. The first is repeated subtraction, which is used for smaller square numbers. If smaller numbers are given, we can by using the repeated subtraction. Second is prime factorization for medium numbers, and if very large numbers are there, there is long division method that we discuss in next. Okay, first of all we will going for this repeated subtraction and prime. What is repeated subtraction? Just see, the perfect square number 81 is given. So what I will do, I will start subtracting the consecutive odd numbers. So first odd number is 1. I will subtract 1. 81 minus 1, 80. Okay. From this 80, what I will do is I will subtract second odd number 3. So I will get 77. From this 77, I will subtract next odd number 5. So I will get 72. Then I will subtract next odd number 7. So I will get 65. Then from the 65, I will subtract the next odd number 9. So I will get 56. From 56, I will subtract next odd number 11. I will get 45. From 45, I will subtract next odd number 13. I will get 32. From 32, I will subtract next odd number 15. I will get 17. And from 17, I will subtract next odd number 17. I will get 0. Now just check here, how many steps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 81 is 9 square. If there are 9 steps or 9 consecutive odd numbers we have subtracted, so it is 9 square 81. Just we will check for 100 also. 100 minus 1, 99. 99 minus 3, 96. 96 minus 5, 91. 91 minus 7, it is 84. 84 minus 9, it is 75. 75 minus 11 is 64. 64 minus 13 is 51. 51 minus 15 is, what is 51 minus 15 is 36. 36 minus 17 is 19, and then 19 minus 19 is 0. That means 100 is equal to 10 square. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is 10 square. This is the repeated subtraction method. Now if medium number are there, what we are using? We are using prime factorization method. What is prime factorization? Already we learnt in 7th standard also. Let us do for this 2, 3, 5, 2. So I will divide with this 2 because it is even number. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 12. The next is again with 2. So what I will get here? 2 5s are 10, 1 carry 17, 2 8s are 16, 1 carry 16, 2 8s are 17. Okay. Again with 2 because even number is there. Until you are getting even number, you have to go for even number also, only division. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, and 2 4s are 8. Again even number with 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14. Now we are getting odd number, so I will try with odd number. So 3 4s are 12, 2 3 9s are 27, and 7 7s are 14, and 7 1s are 7. Why this 2 came? 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14. Okay, now you can see here 2 square, 2 square, 3 alone, 7 square. So this 2 3 5 is not a perfect square. Okay, from this also we come to know if they are making all the numbers prime numbers, what we are using here is prime. Why this is called prime factorization also we must know. Here what we have 2 3 7, all we are using it is prime, that's prime. And in prime factorization, if all numbers are not in pair, the given number is not in perfect. So this number is not a perfect square. Okay, I will try for this number now. What about 6400? So 2 3200s are, then 2 1600s are, then 2 800s are, then 2 400s are, then 2 200s are, then 200s are, then 2 50s are, then 2 25s are, then 5 5s are, and 5 1s are. Now you can see here 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair, and 5th pair of 5. So it is square root 6400 if I want. So what I will do, I will take one number from the pair. So it is 2, 4 times 2 I will take, and 1 time 5. Because 4 pair of 2, so 4 times 2 and 1 5 I will take. So what it is equal to? 80. So square root 6400 is 80. This is the method how to find out the square root. If you are not getting in pair, it is not a prime factor, or it is not a square root. It is, and if all prime factors you are getting in pair, so it is a perfect square number, so you will get its square root. Okay, now I am going to explain you the third method, long division. Okay children, now we had already discussed the two methods to find out the square root. The first one is repeated subtraction, and the second one is prime factorization. Okay, now the repeated subtraction is for smaller numbers, okay, and prime factorization for mere. If very large numbers are there, what we have to do? So we are using long division method. Now very important method, it is very useful. so many places. So please be attentive towards the board so that I can explain. Now what is the first step while doing the long division method? Suppose we are having the number 4096. The first number given 4096. How to find out its square root? Very easy. Just be attentive here. What to do one by one. The first step is making pair from right to left. So this is right side. I am making pair. First pair is 696 and second pair is 40. Like this we have to make bar on it. Okay. So when bar is there, that means we are having 2 bars for 4-digit numbers. Okay. So now what I will do? Division we are always starting from. Making pair we are starting from right to left, but division we are starting from left to right. So first we will divide this 40. Now what we are doing? Normally whatever number we are coming for 2 or 3 like this we are doing. Here not we are doing like that. 40 we have to divide by such a number that which is perfect square or less than the given 40 and nearest perfect square of 40. Now 40 is not a perfect square. So which number is nearest to 40? The perfect and perfect square. And it is smaller. So 6 square. 6 6 are 36. Okay. Why 6 6 are 36? If I will take 7 7 are 49. It is greater. I can't subtract 40 from 49 from 40. So what I will take? I will take 6 6 are 36. I will write here. And what I will do? Exactly I will write below the 36. Then I will subtract this 40 from 36. What I will get? 0 4. Then I am taking down this 96 over here. So now my number becomes 496. This is the first step, making pair. Second step, dividing the number. And third step, subtracting and taking down. Now what is fourth step? Fourth step, what number you have taken here, same number you have right here and add in this number. So it becomes 6 plus 6 12 and make one dash over here. Okay. What happened? After you are now having 496 and 120. Now you are having to take here such a number that number you are taking here, same number you are writing here, and that number and this number you will multiply. Suppose if I will take 121 ones are. So 121 ones are 121, which is very smaller. So I can't take this. So I will try for the next number. 122 twos are. 122 twos are is 244, which is also very smaller than 496. I will try for 133. 123 threes are. 123 is 369, which is also very smaller. So I will try for 4. What number I am taking here? Same number I am writing here, and this number I will multiply. So 124 4s are 496. Now we are having same number. So what I am getting here? 0. When I am getting here 0, that means the given number is perfect square and it is square of 64. So I can write here 4096 is equal to 64 square. Or if I want to write in square root 4096 is 64. What it very easy, nothing is that hard. Just first step, making this in pair, then starting with the right side pair, division, a perfect square which is nearest to 40 and smaller than 40. So 6 6 are 36. Subtract this 36 from 40, you will get 4. Then take down this 96. After that, add this number, same number what you are taken here in that. So or you can say double this number. Double this number. So 6 plus 6 12 or 6 2s are 12 and make one dash over here. Now in that dash you have to take such a number that number, same number you are writing here, and this number and this whole number you are multiplying. So if I am taking here 4, so I will write 4 here, and 4 and 124 I will multiply, I will get 496. So it is equal. So it is 4096 here. One more example we will see. The second example is 5476. So now what is first step? First step is making pair. So 76 first pair and second pair is 54. We are making pair from right to left. That means first pair this, second pair this. Same here. First pair is 76 and second pair is 54. This is the first step. Second step, we are starting division of 54. How we are starting division of 54? 54 is not perfect square. So we will divide by such a number which is nearest to 54 and less than 54 and which is perfect square. So which perfect square is nearest to 54? 7 sevens are 49. Okay. You can see if I will take 8, 8 eights are 64, which is greater than 54. So I can't take 64. Okay, I can't take 8 here. So I will take 7 sevens are 49. Then what I will do? I will subtract this 49 from 54. So what I will get here? 0, 5. And then I will take down this whole pair. This whole pair we are normally in division we are taking one digit one by one. But in long division, while finding the square root, we are taking down whole pair together down. So now I am getting over here 76. So my number become 576. What is the next step? I will make it this double or I will add this in it. So 7 plus 7, 41, 14 and I will make one dash over here. Okay. Now children see one thing that I find. What is here at the end? 6. Which number perfect square is ending with 6? 4 and 6. So I can try for 124 and 120. But in first only I got it. Now I will apply this technique or this property here. What is here at the end? 6. Which number perfect square end with 6? 4 and 6. So I will try for 144. Let me try for 144. 144 4 4 4 16 6. 1 carry. 4 4 16 plus 1 17 7. 1 carry. 4 1 4 plus 1 5. See, that technique works. That property, if you remember, you can use it over here. That property, if the unit place, what is the unit place? Same unit place you can take over here. Whose square is the 6? Whose square is 6? 4 square is 16. 6 square is 30. So you can use that 4 and 6 and then you can check. You are not supposed to take 1, 2, 3, 4 for all numbers. Just using the unit place also you can find out the number. It will make your calculation very fast. Okay, so here 144 4 576. Subtract this, you will get 0. What it means? 5476 is perfect square. Whose perfect square? So 5476 is perfect square of 74 square. Or you can also write square root 5476 is equal to 74. This is the long division method, which is very important. Okay, so by using this long division method you can find out any big numbers. Long division method square root you can find out. Okay, so now I am moving on next exercise. Okay, just let us start the exercise number 6.3. Okay children, now we have discussed 3 different methods to find out the square root of the given number. The first one is repeated subtraction method, second is prime factorization method, and third is long division method. Now I am going to solve exercise 6.3 over here. Okay, 6.3. The first question is possible ones digit of the square root of the given number. So if you remember the property, vice versa of that property of square, we will use it over here. The first is 9801. Now 9801 is perfect square. What is its square root once or ones place? As we remember, 1 and 9 having square as 1 at unit place. So here 1 unit, so its square root is 1 or 9. What is possible digit at one's place? 1 or 9. As we know that 1 square and 9 square is 1 at unit place. So reverse we are using. Here 1 is there. So 1 or 9. The second number we are having 99856. 99856. So what are possible numbers of square root? Now which number square is 6? So we know that 4 4s are 16, 6 6 are 36. So for square root we reverse or use it. So it becomes 4 or 6. Which number? 4 or 6 as square root. What properties we are using for square? Vice versa we can use for it square root. So if at unit place 4 or 6, we will get, if we will find out the square root of 99856, not other numbers, it is always 4 or 6. The third number is 9998 998001. Again 1 is there. In first also 1 there. So what is possible unit place or square root? 1 or 9. 1 or 9. Okay. The fourth question is 657 657 and 025. Now we know that a number ended with 5, so square root also 5, so square root also same, so it is 5 only. Its unit place is ended with 5 only. So these are the answer for this question. Now I am moving on the next question. Okay, the next question is based on the what doing any calculation, find the numbers by repeated subtraction. Okay, already you know about it. Now square root by prime factorization. I am moving on the question number 3. Okay, so question number 3 by using prime factorization. Okay, so 729 is first number. Okay, so what I will do, find out the prime factors of 729. As you can see here, this odd number. So what I will do, I will start with 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. The second, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. The third is 3 27s are. Then 3 9s are. Then 3 3s are. And then 3 1s are. So you can see here 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair. Therefore you can write here 729 is equal to 3 square plus 3 square plus 3 square. Or you can write 729 is square root 729 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. It is equal to 27. Okay. Okay, I will take one more example for this. I will take 1764. Okay, what I will take? 1764. And I am doing its prime factors. Okay, one by one we will do. 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Then it is odd numbers. I will type 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 7s are 21. Then again with 3 because odd number. 3 4s are 12 and 3 9s are 27. Then we know that 49 is 7 square. So I will directly do with 7. 7s are. So what I will get? 1764 is equal to 2 square plus 3 square plus 7 square. Or you can write square root 1764 is equal to 2 into 3 into 7. So 2 3s are 6, 7s are 42. So this is our required number for what we are going for prime factorization. Okay, this is the method by which we can find out the square root of larger medium to large number. And for very large number we are using the long division method. Okay, so there are so many sums you can practice at home, and we will do the remaining sum in the next class. Okay, today this much only. So I am going to finish this. Now we will do the remaining in next class.